Hello, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Google Classroom as a student. There's a very few things that we have to remember to get started, but I'm going to show you how to do it for here at Charlotte County Public Schools. First of all, let me go to a blank Google page. One thing you must make sure you do first is make sure that this little icon up top, this is you. On the top right hand corner, there's going to be an icon. It's probably your face, your first initial or something. And if I click on it, I can see all the different options I have for which account I want to use. At that spot, you need to make sure that you log out every single day. Otherwise, the next person who logs into the computer is going to be logging in as you, and they're going to be doing things in your profile, and you don't want that, especially when we get to the next part here. I'm going to go to my CCPS Bookmark Launchpad link. You may not have the link up there. I'm not sure if all the computers do, but I think most do. Once you're there, you're going to find your Google folder. I've got mine at the top. Yours probably won't be there because I rearranged everything, but find your Google folder and click on it. Once you're there, go to your Google Classroom. It's the one that says Google Classroom. Click on that one. Now, once that's open, you should be signed in. Oh, I'm sorry, you shouldn't be signed in yet. What you're going to do is you'll see all of these are my classes that I'm already signed up for that I have. You may have some that are left over from last year or any other time you've used it, but for whatever class it is you're trying to sign up for now, you have to go up to the top right-hand corner here and click the plus button. It's not super obvious right away when you see all the other bright stuff, but click Create or Join a Class with the plus button. Join class. Now, right here is where you make sure that you are signed in and it's not somebody else. So I'm currently signed in as myself, so that's all good. Next, we're going to put in our class code. So I created a class just for doing this example. So there's nothing in it and nothing very interesting, but this is just something I made so I could be a student in it and show you how to do this. So once you typed it in, hit the upper right hand corner, there's a button that says join, bright blue, hard to miss it. Not much else here. I'm joining the class now. So now that I've done it, that's the only thing you have to do once a year, once a semester, whenever somebody gives you a new class code. Now I'm in my video class for video or fall of 2020, and everything's ready to go for finding my classwork. In here is where you're gonna be able to click in and find everything you need, what your teacher's got to say. When you're done with this, make sure you go back and you sign out of everything. I can go over to the left-hand corner here and find all the classes I have, and I'm good to go. Good luck.